Hi, I'm Rachel and welcome to my outdoor adventure review channel. This will probably be the fastest review yet. If we can even get through it, I am being eaten alive by bugs and mosquitoes. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the GCI SlimFold cooking station. I bought this in 2017 because I thought that my camping adventures were going to look a lot different than they actually do. Thought I was going to be, out there cooking up a storm, getting crazy, but I found that I'm more so like a turtle type setup. I just carry my shell, my home with me wherever I go. So I have used this a couple of times. It has held up very well, being moved to different states and being thrown in my storage units and everything. So to go over some of the specs of this table, the table is 52 inches wide. The center support here is aluminum and it is heat resistant and it can hold 48 pounds. We're going to try a test, see how much it can hold. The center rack can hold 35 pounds and you'd use it for your dry goods or whatever else. And each side table supports 30 pounds. Now the side tables have some really nice features. It can hold glasses of wine. You can hang your cookware off of it. It also has an area to hold your paper towels or maybe a dish towel. And overall, there is a lot of storage on this table. The folded size is 34.6 inches long. The width is 21 inches and the depth is 3.7 inches. So it is pretty compact for all the storage that you get. Let's do a little test and check the weight, how much this can hold. I have two water containers, just let me go get those. Here are my water containers. They are 3 gallons. I have 2 aqua bricks and 1 gallon of water weighs just over 8 pounds. So this is a little bit more than 25 pounds. And I have 2. So that's what, 50 pounds-ish? Let's see if it can hold that. Let me make sure I am locked in. I was not. And I do have a furry friend here helping me out. His name is Ace. I am watching him. Here we have the first water brick and the second. That is very impressive, I must say. That is very impressive. That is 50 pounds, folks. 50 pounds. You can really load this thing up. We've got some nice grooves here where you can put some cups. And there's where you have hooks for your utensils or wine glasses. It is all around a really useful table. And as you can see, it has definitely seen better days. I am being eaten alive by mosquitoes, so this is a really good option if you are camping with a group of people and you just need something easy and quick to set up. I actually first used this I used this in my first YouTube video on my vlog channel making banana boats. It worked really, really well. I keep it even though I don't use it because down the road it will come in handy, I am sure. So let me know if you are familiar with the GCI SlimFold table, what you thought of this table. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video.